From the vast plains of the Maasai Mara to the snow-capped peak of Mount Kenya, this East African nation offers a tapestry of landscapes as diverse as the creatures that inhabit it. Prepare to be captivated by the allure of Kenya, a land where adventure awaits around every corner. Join me, Nadia Morono, as we embark on an unforgettable journey to discover the top 5 tourist wonders this remarkable country has to offer. Get ready for travel tips and visuals that will leave you breathless. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the Great Rift Valley, to a place where time seems to stand still, yet the very earth vibrates with the thunder of hooves. The Masai Mara National Reserve, a vast expanse of golden savanna, is home to an unparalleled spectacle, the Great Migration. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest, zebra and gazelle embark on a perilous journey across the Mara River, following the ancient rhythm of the rains in search of fresh grazing. The air crackles with anticipation as the wildebeest gather at the river's edge, their numbers so vast they stretch as far as the eye can see. Then, with a surge of adrenaline, the first brave souls take the plunge, leaping into the swirling current. But the Mara is not just about the migration. This untamed wilderness is also home to an astonishing array of wildlife, from the majestic lion to the towering giraffe. Spend your days exploring the savanna on game drives, your heart pounding with excitement as you encounter these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. From the savanna we ascend to new heights, our destination, Mount Kenya. The second highest peak in Africa, this extinct volcano dominates the landscape, its snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds. For adventure enthusiasts, Mount Kenya is an irresistible challenge, offering a variety of hiking trails to suit all levels of experience. As you ascend the slopes, the scenery transforms dramatically. Lush forests give way to alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers, while icy streams cascade down rocky slopes. The air grows thinner with each step, but the breathtaking views from the summit are well worth the effort. The lower slopes are home to a wealth of wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and a variety of primates. From the rugged heights of Mount Kenya, we descend to the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, where a tropical paradise awaits. Deani Beach, with its pristine white sands and crystal-clear waters, is the epitome of a relaxing beach getaway. Dive into the inviting waters for a refreshing swim, or simply bask in the sun, letting your cares melt away. For the more adventurous, Deani Beach offers a range of water sports, from kite surfing and windsurfing to snorkeling and scuba diving. Our journey takes us next to Amboseli National Park, a land of stark beauty dominated by the majestic presence of Mount Kilimanjaro. Here, against the backdrop of Africa's highest peak, you'll witness a sight that will stay with you forever: vast herds of elephants roaming freely across the savanna. Amboseli is home to one of the largest populations of elephants in Africa, and these gentle giants are the undisputed stars of the show. Watch in awe as they lumber across the plains, their trunks swaying rhythmically as they graze on the lush vegetation. For photographers, Amboseli is a dream come true. The combination of the dramatic scenery, the abundance of wildlife, and the ever-present backdrop of Mount Kilimanjaro creates endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. The park is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including lions, cheetahs, zebras, and wildebeest. Birdwatchers will be in their element too, with over 400 species of birds recorded in the park. Our final destination takes us to the coast of Kenya, to a place where time seems to have stood still. Lamu Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a place of rich history and unique Swahili culture, where life moves at a slower pace. Wander through the narrow streets of Lamu town, a labyrinth of winding alleys and ancient buildings that have changed little over the centuries. Admire the intricate carvings on the doors and balconies of the traditional Swahili houses, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling port town. Visit the Lamu Museum to learn about the island's fascinating history, dating back over 700 years. For a truly unique experience, take a ride on a traditional dhow, a type of sailing vessel that has been used in the Indian Ocean for centuries. As you glide silently through the turquoise waters, feel the gentle breeze in your hair, and listen to the sound of the waves lapping against the hull. From the wildlife-rich savannas to the pristine beaches, Kenya has truly captivated our senses. If you enjoyed this journey through Kenya's top 5 tourist wonders, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. And be sure to let me know in the comments which destination stole your heart. Most importantly, come with an open mind and a thirst for adventure, and let Kenya's magic work its wonders on you. Until next time, keep exploring.